Good morning. I have not done a Costco haul video in quite some time. I did go to Costco last month, but I don't think I filmed it for whatever reason. But we are overdue for a Costco haul. I'm going to go with Levi today. He's going to be my helper. So I'm going to bring you guys along. I will give a disclaimer here at the beginning because on my grocery hauls recently, I've been getting some not very nice comments from people who think that every item that you purchase and feed to your family has to be keto friendly in order to be healthy. And I get some pretty nasty comments from people saying that I'm poisoning my family. So disclaimer, if you're one of those people, please click off this video right now. It is not meant for you. I also want to give a big thank you to Element, who is the sponsor of the video today. As you guys know, if you've watched me for any length of time, I consume Element every single day. There is not a day that goes by, like I can't remember one in recent history that I have not consumed my electrolyte supplement. Element makes it really easy to stay hydrated, and they do that by having a science-backed ratio of electrolytes as well as making them taste very delicious. I've tried a lot of different electrolyte supplements on the market, and I keep coming back to Element being my absolute favorite. As always, Element has a special deal for all of my viewers. You can get a free sample pack that has 8 of their regular flavors in it. You can get that for free just by using my link, drinkelement.com/indigo, drinklmnt.com/indigo. Click on that link, place an order for anything on the website, and you will automatically get that free 8-stick sample pack. Great way to try out all the flavors. Thanks again to Element for sponsoring the shopping trip today. What are we going to get at Costco today?
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni. Is that your favorite thing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The thing I want.
We need a bunch of stuff. You know what we really need? Toilet paper. I just opened our last pack of toilet paper and we can't go too long without that, huh?
Yeah.
Do you guys have the new scan your card at the door at your Costco? We have that now. So exciting. These are cute. No, I don't need these, but they are cute.
I want to get one.
Yeah, right.
How much are they?
They are $9.99. That's not bad.
That's just $1. Wait.
No, $9.99 is almost $10. 99 cents is almost $1. Oh, these are cute. I have some little bitty ones that are similar.
Right.
But I don't think I need them. Oh, I like these though. Why do they have so many cute things? I want something like this, but just a little bit bigger.
Oh.
If they were a little bit bigger, I might go for it. Yeah, and they got clear ones and frosted, like gray ones.
Can you get them?
Okay, I got this on my last Costco haul, and we absolutely love it. Yeah, this is the same one. We absolutely love it, and I actually think I'm going to get a second one.
What?
They're perfect for bringing to like potlucks and stuff. Perfect. What is this?
Mom, look, these are like rack.
Oh, an armrest tray. That's funny. These are cute. I like how they have the little divots for the bowls to sit in. I don't think I need it though. These are cute. Salad containers with all the little dressing and the toppings. That would be great if we packed lunches more often. They have them here for us to look at. Oh.
Yeah, see, that
Comes all the way off.
to buy, but I was like,
Yeah, those are super cute. I've never seen ball jars at Costco before. I need that size. Oh my goodness, they have a freeze dryer. How much is it? Harvest Right.
It's a puppy.
$1,600. Oh, I would love to have a freeze dryer one day.
Mom, look.
Oh, you're not going to freeze dry your puppy, are you?
No, it's
Oh, making him food. I see. Levi just said, I might just live here.
that was $28.
Oh, really? I don't believe it. So you're going to live, you're going to live there now?
That was $9.99.26.
Okay.
Or 62.
Or 62. We'll do some apples.
Exactly. Yeah, when we go home, can you keep that in the package so I can make one?
Make one what? A banana?
I want.
Oh, you want to make a charcuterie board?
Yeah, I want some stuff.
Okay. Those aren't very small, but that's fine. Okay.
Do we need some of these potatoes? Because they're yellow.
No, we have some more of those at home already.
Mom, oh yeah, that kind of
Got some hot dogs.
that kind of so good.
It is good, yeah.
Hot dogs.
Hot dogs. Well, they're sausages. They're Polish sausages.
Yeah.
But we call them hot dogs.
Yeah, but I like hot dogs.
I also want some of these sausages because they're so good.
Those sausages, I like
These ones are very good.
I like these ones better than these ones.
Oh, you do?
Because I haven't had one of these in so long.
Okay. Talia requested pickles, like always. All right, this is hate. It's not a bed.
This one is
Ooh,
Oh.
I just need one, man. All right, come over this way. Let's do paper plates next. We'll get medium ones. We'll get big ones. We gotta stock up.
I got these.
Yep. Oh, don't smash them. No, we don't need bags. Well, that's just a funny name for it. These are on sale and they are mighty good. So I'm gonna grab a couple.
Mom, do you have the bottom ones?
Nope, not that one. Here, can you put this in the cart?
Yeah.
Okay. 2 cream cheeses.
2 cream cheese.
Well, there we go. Nice.
Honey?
Yeah, I got honey. That's not honey, that's vegetable oil. You want to put it in the cart?
No, it's not hold it.
Ooh. This cart is getting heavy. All right, we'll get a couple boxes of crackers. I wish they were on sale, but they're not. I think we did it, Levi. Did we get everything we needed?
Yes.
I hope so. Yep, that's gonna be good.
I want this.
We made it home and this is all the non-food stuff. So we will go over that first. I was excited to see these mason jars. It was like $13 and some change for the flat of mason jars. I thought that was a pretty good deal. And I needed some of these pint-sized jars. I like the wide mouth, always wide mouth. I got a few things of clothing for myself, these comfy linen pants and then some capris. I am going to Texas in the middle of April and it's warmer in Texas than where I am. So I needed some more warm weather clothing. I grabbed some comfy sports bras. I got parchment paper. I got another one of the bamboo serving board with locking lid. The kids are loving making charcuterie boards. Levi made one the other day. He requested tacos to be on it. He wanted tacos and popcorn on his charcuterie board. So everyone's been having fun with that. And these are really great for taking to potlucks and things. So loving that, and having a second one will be nice. I really stocked up on paper products. Got 2 things of bowls, 1 thing of medium plates and 1 thing of large plates. And then of course we got our toilet paper back there. We were almost out. And here is the massive pile of food. I needed some butter, so I got 2 of the Kerrygold. They did not have the Kirkland New Zealand butter that's cheaper, but just as good as Kerrygold. I was bummed about that. So I went ahead and got the Kerrygold. I was hoping it would still be on sale, but I think I just barely missed the sale. So it was expensive, but I got 2 of them. And then I got a pack of the regular butter. That's how I get like a moderately cheap, moderately expensive butter, is I just get half and half. So I got a whole bunch of butter to stock up on. I got cheese sticks for the kids. I got 2 boxes of cream cheese. I got organic honey. Again, this was way cheaper per ounce than the other options, which seems weird because you'd think like the big bulk bottles would be cheaper than the individual ones, but turned out these ones were cheaper. I got a big bag of organic carrots. These are really nice for having in the freezer for an easy side dish. They already have some seasoning and a little bit of olive oil, I believe, or no, avocado oil. And so they're really easy to throw in the air fryer and have a veggie side dish. So I stocked up on those because they were on sale. I got some organic cane sugar. I got some organic frozen strawberries for the kids' smoothies. I got organic maple syrup. I got a bunch of bananas, 1 pack of the Parmesan cracked black pepper sausages. These are really tasty. And then we got 1 pack of the chicken breakfast sausage, the Amy Lou brand. We got a big tub of Grillo's pickles, and Levi has already broken into the pepperoni. In the car on the way home, he had pepperoni and crackers. We got a pack of Italian dry salami. Organic raisins were requested by the children. I got 1 pack of the Teton Waters Ranch Polish sausages. These ones were another one that was on sale, and I think I just barely missed the sale, which was a bummer. So I just got 1 pack. If they had been on sale, I probably would have stocked up and got a few. I got 1 big pack of chicken tenderloins to make chicken strips with. I got 1 box of kombucha. This is another thing we already dipped into on the way home. We were having our crackers, pepperoni, and kombucha. It was a fantastic snack. I got a box of organic tomato sauce. We use this for pizza and pasta and things like that. This is something that I do not normally buy. I don't buy a lot of juice, but we just got a slushy maker similar to the Ninja slush machine that is so popular right now, but a different brand. And we are going to be reviewing it really soon. The kids are very, very excited. And so I got this special for making some mango slushies for the kids. I'm also going to be trying the Two Crazy Ketos hack to do electrolytes that don't contain sugar in them in the slushy maker. So look forward to that video. Hopefully we'll get that done and out here pretty soon. But picked up some mango nectar. I got Gala apples, organic. I also got some organic Fuji apples. Then we got 2 boxes of the Simple Mills almond flour crackers. And of course we have already broken into those. And I think that is everything. It was a spendy one today. I spent a total of $494.80, and I will do a real quick scan of the receipt here so you can see the different prices of things. Thanks so much for going shopping with us. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we will see you again in the next one.